So hello guys, so tingnan natin tong drill na ito. We call this one circle box out. So we have 4 players and then these 4 players slides around the free throw circle and then the coach is standing with the ball. After that, when the coach shoots, the players below the foul line have to box out the players above the foul line. So, yun yung magiging role ng mga nasa below the foul line o below the free throw line to box out. So, yan, continuous until mag-improve ang mga players kung paano mag-box out. So, of course, the basics on boxing out should be improved in this drill. So, hope you like it. Please comment, follow, and share. Thank you.
Follow for more.